Hi everyone, on this cold morning we are working on a Nissan Altima. This gentleman got it from a older woman, and she didn't go bad, but definitely needs to be cleaned real good. It got a lot of just crap everywhere, so I'm gonna vacuum it out real good, clean up the back seats and stuff, and then when we're done with the Altima, getting a wash and a little bit of a waxing on the outside, and then we're going to be working on to our crazier project, this Chevy 2500. This is just going to be an interior detail, but as you can see, this is going to take us some time. So this thing is dirty. So this is DJD. Are you ready?
Yep.
Finding all kinds of things this morning. Guys, the Altima is all done. There were, this seat, the driver's side mat's always gonna be like the worst. So we got as much as we could out. Things cleaned up, wiped down. Carpets are still, the seats are still a little wet, but they're starting to dry, so that's good. So this thing is looking way better. He did have some weird like coffee stains and stuff right here. All that came out, so I'm happy. So we'll take a look. We're gonna actually start on the interior on the Chevy first, and then we're gonna wash them both at the same time. We're actually gonna just do a full wash on this one. This one he just kind of requested that we get rid of all this. Okay, in this video we were asked to remove some pretty light scratching that was on the side of the door here, so I'm just kind of cutting the stuff out. It's really hard to see in the video. I kind of wish I had my light out so you guys could see, but it looked like the car maybe was up against like a bush or something. So after I cut small stuff out, buffed off, and we got it all out too. Oh yeah, it came right out. Oh, you can't really. I don't know what it is. It looked like somebody was trying to either scuff. I'm not exactly sure what it was. And the other spots are right here. Maybe it sat under a tree. I don't know what that stuff was, but it came right out. I mean, yeah, interesting. Technically, I mean, the whole car needs to be polished because like there's like weird spots like right here. I mean, he kind of talked when I was talking to him on the phone. He kind of talked about that, but I mean, you know, it's his car. I mean, he might want to have that done in the spring. Clayed it real good though, but like the spots I polished are like nice, so.